Okay, now it's melted, so we're putting in the Rice Krispies.
And I need to run and get more. Here's more.
Dump it. Not on me. Preferably.
Hang on, back it up. Whoop.
Ah, hot.
Huh?
I just burned myself. This is so hard.
You want a break?
This is the hard part. Gotta make sure all of it's coated. And sticky gooiness. I'm like sweating.
That's hot.
I know.
I see the crispy Rice crispiness in it.
I'm sure you do. Does it look like it's all coated?
No.
Which part doesn't?
I don't know.
Because to me it looks like this.
Okay, it's all coated.
Okay, you're gonna have to do the spoon.
Where's the spoon? Oh. You should have left that butter out and used it for that one thing.
Oh yeah. Can you spread it?
Yeah, after I get it out.
It's best to spread it before you get it all out. Get it off! It's like melting.
Yeah, I know. Because we kind of forgot about it. Oh. Yeah. It's easier to get it off if you put butter on a silver spoon.
On the back of the spoon.
Yeah, on the back of it, and it's easier to spread it out.
Yep. Good job. Come, eat that.
Okay.
Don't burn yourself. Why am I get it all smoothed out? We have to wait for it to cool so we can eat it. I love
Even
Rice
though it is
Krispies.
so appetizing that you want to eat it now, but you can't. You have to wait. Really good. You're getting cut off. I bet your boobs are the only thing showing in this video. There you go. Scoot over. You gotta show your pretty face.
Pretty ugly face. And plus, they don't care about my face. They only want to watch me make the Rice Krispies.
Oh wow.
I need more butter.
Well, if they want to watch this Rice Krispie video, they have to watch you.
Yeah, the only person gonna watch it is Smoking Hot
Probably.
Fireman.
Probably.
Or maybe your little guy friend. Guy friends.
Guy
I should say.
friends.
Because they're more than one, because she's so smoking hot.
Hi. I like Rice Krispies. Rice Krispies are
You gotta make sure it's all like pretty even out. It's just kind of hard to do. How's it look? Good enough?
Yep.